more natural way of seeing this kind of 3D complex data. It's like a map, but it's in 3D. They are quite interested in the same technology, but using medical images, coming from MRI or CT scans. So we are now also seeing what it could be bringing to the medical community, and there's already quite a lot of interest.